There is one hopping along.
Oh, wow. You could not run that, could you? Great shot.
Een soort zender op zijn nek zit. Die nou in de pomp kan. Die nou ook niet goed ziet.
I should have stopped there.
Wow,
Go back up.
incredibly close here.
That's it.
It's not about these vehicles, it's that they're so high up.
That's a good shot there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I didn't even see that. Good morning. That's a great shot.
Little bearded faces make them look old.
Yes.
And kneeling to eat.
Yes, I saw that too.
The one that's closest to
Oh,
us.
for goodness sake.
We'll see.
Vegetarians. Oh, it's a movie. Oh, that's so amazing. Mummy standing guard.
Doing a video.
That's a better view, yeah. That's a... Oh, there it is. The horned kind.
Mm-hmm.
Well, they
Heading
seem to
for a
have
different water hole.
symbiotic relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, are you coming over here by chance?
The warthog, do we have
All right, are you
war
going after the
between
warthog?
species here? Well,
The
warthog-
ears are, flaring out. Makes me wonder. Just trying to
Well,
scare
it was earlier too. I don't think he likes Mercedes-Benz.
They also make most enormous noises. You'll know when they're charging.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, charging
Well,
at you?
No, but I've heard this.
The warthog
He's
is
just staying there.
But, no. Okay, I'm
Exit
outta here.
stage left.
That, yes, that is has a Who said you can
Is he
have
gonna
some
squirt
of
him?
our water?
Yeah, he did. He's scaring him away.
He is indeed.
Look at that.
We were here first.
Hey man, I just want a drink. It's persistent.
Yeah, you can't have it all.
Now he's got his spot.
Oh, there's another one there. Okay. Three. So do you think these holes are naturally full of water?
No, I don't think so.
They might bring a water truck and dump
Or-
some in. There goes the warthog.
Exit.
I wonder what does the water do with those terrible wounds?
Teeth.
His teeth, it's so
Yeah.
weird.
But the interaction with between a warthog and that other elephant is interesting. I mean,
Yes, isn't it?
clearly the elephant tries to chase him away, huh?
It's like a big bully, hey?
Wow. 5, 6.
Six,
Fantastic.
I think the warthog now got the message.
Yeah.
You're not gonna-
Little baby.
oh, really, gee,
Little baby, but a year, I think, anyway.
3, 4. It's all mothers with their babies. Can't even believe it.
Fantastic. Another one coming in the end. So the
oh,
bull
there's
bringing
a
up
tiny,
again.
tiny one.
Oh, moeder.
There's a what?
Tiny one.
Yeah.
Man, maar ons is vandag gelukkig met dit wat ons sien.
Mm. Oh, there's another water.
warthog.
too.
Yeah,
The
the
warthog
warthog. Oh, he thought
family.
he's also going to call his family.
Yeah, right. You come help me out here.
They're coming in their numbers.
It's the best wildlife footage I've ever gotten. Fantastic.
Ag, daai babatjie is omtrent. Kyk net op 'n nude.
Mm.
Shame.
Oh, there goes the little guy after the warthog.
There's even more coming.
Very leisured. Oh my God.
goodness, look at that.
It's a
Wow.
slow process, isn't it?
Yeah.
Drinking it
And there's more coming on the far left.
Mm.
Look way left.
cow. I mean, holy elephant.
Just driving there. Yeah. Looks only slightly bigger than the warthog.
Yes, it does, eh?
Yeah, really.
Now, okay, now if you watch the far right, you see there's this one coming around is being chased by the one behind it. Right here. That one is being chased by
That's
the one at the back.
daai
Yeah.
He just wants to fight. Man.
How about saying that again?
Or is it their way of playing?
Oh, you think it's play?
I think.
He? I don't know. It's hard to
That
tell.
was the other one way back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were here first. See that?
Only a little bit, because the camera did that touch the screen anywhere thing. But I'm filming now. Okay, I'm running a video again on these two that are circling the water hole, just in case. And meanwhile, these two over here are facing off. Interesting. Okay, so now there's a video going. Goodbye.
I just want to cuddle you.
Who can go the fastest? You!